Hey guys, it's Jennifer with Emily Rose Boutique again. I'm going to do a follow-up video with another request that I've been getting on how to do mock-ups. This is the design I just did in my last video on how to do the mock-up for with a image instead of all text. So now that I see that, I'm not sure if I really like that. I think I might would have liked to have the cap a little bit bigger, but that's okay. All right, I'm going to show you how to do this. This is like from our starting point of when we finished the actual design. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change the color of this to not exactly white, but like sort of white. Okay, and or maybe I'm going to switch them. I want this to be like the red. No, not that red. That red maybe? That red. And this, the cap, I want that to be the white. Okay, so now I'm going to go up to File, go to Save As, and I have my whole list of everything that I've done. All right, so I'm going to do, save it as, oops, might help if I could type good. Senior cap knockout. Okay, now I do my mock-ups in Photoshop, and I bought a whole set of, and I'll pull them up. I bought the whole set of like, the Bella Canvas things, shirts. These are the Heathers, but I have all of the colors. These are like the regular ones down here. Here, I'll show you. These are everything, all the regular ones. And I actually took time and I went into Canva and I did color charts for all of the shirts that I have. You may not need to do all that. It's up to you. So anyway, I'm going back in here, and what I did was I just put a wooden background or something really cute as my background for Photoshop, and then I layered one of these t-shirts on top. I added my watermark, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's my Photoshop. Here is my background. Okay, it's just something that I found. I don't remember if I found it on Google or what, but I just found that. I loved it, so I wanted to use it. Then I added the t-shirt, and it's just, I put it in and it's centered. And like if you want to add another shirt color over it, I'll show you just how easy it is to do that. Let me go back to my shirts. And like say we want to use, and if you're adding a different shirt or whatever, then you want to just go ahead and do the shirts, not open up a whole new Photoshop file. But like this one, where's the color that I liked? Like if you really want this yellow, this mustard color, just take it and just drag it over. And see, it's just right there, and then select it and boom, it's there. Okay, so I don't have to center it. I don't have to resize it or anything. It's just how it is put in is how it stays. All right, so I'm going to delete that one because I'm doing right now all of my senior shirts on this black blend mock-up. I do have my watermark in here, and I have it, the opacity just bumped down, and I have my watermark kind of tilted. I think I did my watermark originally in Canva, and then I went, once I learned Inkscape, then I did it there. So I have a black one and I have a white one because of different backgrounds I have for different seasons. But when I'm ready to add in my design, I make sure that this shirt is selected so that it will be layered right on top of the shirt underneath the watermark. If it's not and it gets up here, then it's on top of the watermark and then there's no point in having the watermark. So just make sure that your shirt layer is selected. And then I have all of my things down here as I'm using them. I'm going to my graduation folder. This is the one I just did. Okay, so I'm just gonna select it, and instead of like double clicking or clicking on it or whatever, I'm just gonna take it and drag it to my shirt. And there you go. And you wanna click on one of these bottom ones. Now mine is set to where I don't have to, mine is set to keep the proportion. I don't know if yours will be set that way. That's just how mine is set up, so you may have to play around with it the first couple times, but I just select it and I can move that corner one and see how it's staying. I can move it up and down, I can move it side to side, and it still stays proportioned. So you may have to do that with yours. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. And just remember that once you actually select it and approve it, whatever, then it's going to make it even that much smaller. So there we go. There is your senior t-shirt. I may go back in and redo that design just so that you can actually tell that that's a graduation cap. I don't know. And so you can tell that that is the word senior. Anyway, that's it for this video. Oh, before I go, if you want to go to File and Save As. I have all of my mock-ups in here, and go to New. And it looks like there's nothing there, but you want to change the file type down here to PNG, okay? And then you can save it. And I just save it, same thing as my SVG senior cap. Oops. Knockout. And then just hit save. Okay. And then it's saving down here at the bottom. You can see that. So that's it. I hope that this helped someone, and I will talk to you guys next video. Bye.